Welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you how to use Shopify Collection List element in PageFly. Collection List element is used to display your Shopify collections. Here we are in the PageFly page editor. To add the collection list element into the page, go to the Shopify Elements category, scroll down, and you can see the element we need here. Drag and drop element to the editor. Go ahead to the General tab. You can choose to show all collections in your store. With this option, remember that you can only show a maximum of 30 collections on your page. Or display some specific collections by choosing the Custom Collection option. Scroll down, you can adjust the number of collections in a row. And spacing between collections in the collection list. Switch to the Styling tab. Here you can add styling to the collection list. For example, I will add a pixel value to the padding of the element. And add a background color to it. Now click the collection image element. To show this image, you need to upload it in Shopify Admin. In the General tab, if you disable this option, the collection image will fit in the collection details. If you enable the option, you can change the height of the image. But it will not exceed the width of the collection details. Turn on this option if you want to link the collection image to the corresponding collection page. Similarly to the collection image, I click the collection title here. In the General tab, enable this option so that when I click on the collection title, the corresponding collection page will open. Switch to the Styling tab, and you can see all styling options for the element. Change the content color. Adjust the font size. And more. You can notice that when I change the style for one collection title, style of other collection titles are also changed. You can also add more collection elements inside the collection details and collection list. Back to the collection element list here, you can see the collection view details element. Drag it inside the collection details. Now I will make this element a normal button. Now I will choose one collection details element. Go to the Styling tab, add a padding value to it. Click here to make all elements inside the element details center. Scroll down to the background parameter. Add a background color. If you want to add shadow to product details elements, in the CSS code, add this code. You can change the shadow color and adjust the pixel values as you want. Now hit Save and Publish. And check the page on live view. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.